Hello everybody, this is Don Limited here tonight. And tonight we're going to talk about this Makita drill. This one also came from a yard sale. No, I don't have an obsession with power tools or anything like that. But when you see them for dirt cheap prices, sometimes you just can't pass them up. So we're going to open this case up tonight and kind of demonstrate what we have here. Here's the owner's manual. I'm not quite 100% sure which model is which. This is the torque schematic, or not torque schematic, but the inside schematic of this Makita. I didn't print that out, that came with. So that kind of shows the inside workings. You got your chuck, you got your electric switch there, you got your case and housing, you got your electric motor. That's actually quite interesting. That leads me to believe that this was possibly maybe rebuilt or repaired. This is this charger. It is a DC 1803. It's a NiCad. I'm thinking this is probably, this is made in Taiwan, unfortunately. But I would say this is comparable to a DeWalt. This actually, I didn't have to do anything with this one. So this one's got two different torque settings. This one's got a screw torque setting, and it also has, let me set this down. I got too much stuff out here so we're gonna, and yes, it actually came with 3 batteries. So let me get this without breaking anything here. Okay, back to the main focus here. I got a Makita, and unfortunately, previous owner used it so much that he wore the model and serial number off, so I can't tell you what. To be honest, I'm thinking this is probably between a 2005 and 2008. I'm probably wrong, and you probably will call me out on it in the comment section, but I'm pretty new to this tool section of my channel, so bear with me here. Eventually down the line I'll learn more, and there will be other tools other than drills. We'll wait and see. So I'm going to set the camera down so we can kind of explore a little bit. This is actually more of an industrial chuck, so we'll take and we will actually set it to drill bit mode. Do it on the low setting to see how well that and a bit is sticking. No wonder. Now we're going to do it on a high setting. I'm sorry if you can't see too well, but I'm okay, that actually drills quite well. Ah, darn it. Now we will do a screw test. Alrighty. Switch it over to screw mode. Where did I set that screw? Ah, there we are. Better set it to 1. See how well that's a little dumb. Too small of a bit here, folks. And now we're going to undo the screw here. And now we're going to try it in a higher torque. Oh, apparently you can't do it right. So that's a safety, folks. I know I look kind of weird goofing around like this, but okay. This thing I could actually think you could probably do concrete with it, but I don't have a concrete block here, and I don't feel like digging one out tonight, so this is what the drill looks like. Only paid a couple of bucks at a rummage sale. And the batteries were actually perfect. I didn't have to do anything with them. So, and yes, we'll make more videos in the future. Thank you for thank you for watching, as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have a comment, leave a comment in the section. Thank you.